In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get a tank in GTA 5 online. So it's pretty easy. First thing you need to do is just make sure you have enough amount of money. You need a lot of money to buy this. So first we will buy the hanger to store the tank. So press the up arrow and go to internet and hit enter. Over here to buy the hanger, you will go to money and services and go to forecloser.maze and enter site. So what you want to do is buy a hanger. So usually hangers are in the airport like this one. So click on it. So you gotta have like at least 1.5 million to buy this hanger. So after you buy this hanger, you need to buy the tank, and the tank is usually in the travel and transport. If you go down, you will see war stock. Go here, and now you want to scroll all the way down until you find the tank. It should be down this here, and there it is. So once you find the tank, you can basically buy it, and after you buy the tank, all you have to do is just go to the map and go to your hangar that you have just bought, and once you arrive there, you will basically be able to spawn your tank. It's just as easy as that. So you just need to have money, and you will be able to spawn your tank. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.